This is Marcel from Joy Dynamics in Quarry Bay. Today we're going to walk around the gym and challenge the staff members to do a pistol squat. Pistol squat is a single leg squat without any support. Let's go. Julian,
Yes, sir.
can we challenge you to a pistol squat, please?
Can.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
And up. Oh, there's the support.
So close.
So close.
close.
Ronald, can we check you to a pistol squat?
Just one rep is fine.
Just one rep is fine.
Alright, let's go.
And up. Very good.
Right.
Nice. This is David, one of our directors. Let's see if he can do a pistol squat. With a raised heel, we'll give it to him. We'll give it to him. Nice, good job. Easy for him. Jerome, can we challenge you to a pistol squat, please? Pistol squat, yeah, just one rep.
Do you think this guy can do it?
Oh, I don't know. It's a quick bite of eat, yeah, take a bite.
Doesn't hold this up.
Hey, very good, that's it. Alright, show off. Susana, can we check your pistol squat, please?
I don't know if I can do it.
Just one, give us a try. Nice, very good, easy.
See like that?
There we go, good job. Alright guys, turns out our staff is really good at pistol squats. If you want to try it at home, film it and tag us at Joy Dynamics.